In this video, we will show you how to take backup of Outlook.com emails, calendars, contacts, and tasks to your local hard drive or computer successfully in a safe and secure manner. We bring you one of the best solution, with SysTools Outlook.com backup tool. Now let's check out the main features of the software. The tool helps in automatically taking backup of all the emails of Outlook.com, along with its attachment files, and also let the user download emails from country-specific accounts as well. Supports downloading public domain Microsoft accounts such as hotmail.com, live.com and outlook.com. And the resultant outlook.com PST backup file is supported in all the Outlook versions. Now let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. Make sure that any of the MS Outlook versions mentioned here is installed on your system to perform successful live mail data backup in PST file format. In case of PST backup, make sure Outlook is configured with valid POP3 or dummy POP3 accounts. Now let's install and run the tool to check its working process. You can see a login page. Here click Login button, enter the login credentials here, and click Sign In. Now the account will be validated. After successfully logging into the account, the tool will fetch all relevant details folder-wise. Here you can choose desired folder to backup by checking relevant box option. After choosing desired folders, click Next button below to proceed. Then in the next window, you can see further options to select desired email format and categories. You can choose either PST option, or MSG, or EML option. Now in our example, let's choose the PST option. In case of PST backup, make sure Outlook is configured properly, and if you are facing any issues, then please follow the below-mentioned steps. And there is option to split large-sized PST files according to size. Enter desired size from the drop-down. And from the categories option below, you can choose desired categories depending on your requirements. For example, if you choose mails, then you can apply date filter for mails according to certain date range. Choose desired dates from the drop-down. And click OK. Then click Browse button to choose a destination folder to save the output files. After selecting a folder, click OK. Now click Start button below, and then you can see the backup process in progress. Here you can see all the mails, calendars, tasks and contacts will be backed up. And after the export process completes successfully, click OK. Clicking on the Save Report button below lets you save the export report in CSV format. The export report shows you the complete details of the folders being exported. Now let's check out the output. Open Output PST file in Outlook to further check its details. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments and suggestions below. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.